Hi guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with part 2 of volume and surface area. But before moving on to part 2 questions and solutions, I would like to tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all the type of job opportunities as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. The question on screen was the problem provided in part first of volume and surface area. So we will solve this first and after that we will move to another questions. So 66 cubic centimeters of silver is drawn into a wire of 1 millimeter in diameter. The length of the wire in meters would be. So we will just assume that the length of the wire is h. Now we know that it is 1 millimeter in diameter, so we can calculate the radius. Radius is the half of diameter, so that's why we have taken 1 by 2 millimeter. Once you convert it into centimeter, because 66 cubic centimeters is given in the centimeter, to make all the units similar, we will convert the radius in centimeters, so you will get it as 1 by 20 centimeter. Now you will just use the formula here, pi r square h, and put it equals to 66. Now you can easily calculate the height. As you can see, the solution is provided. So the answer is 84 meter. That is option A. A hollow iron pipe is 21 centimeter long and its external diameter is 8 centimeter. If the thickness of the pipe is 1 centimeter and iron weighs 8 gram per centimeter cube, what is the weight of the pipe? So external radius is 4 centimeter, internal radius is 3 centimeter, and you will just put on the formula for volume of iron. But the change here is that you will have to subtract, like the formula is pi r square h I guess, but what you will do here is, because you have one internal radius and other external radius, so that's why you will do it as 4 square minus 3 square. So once you solve it, you will get answer as 462. For calculating the weight of iron, you will multiply 462 by 8, because 8 is the thickness which is given in this, like 1 centimeter iron weighs 8 gram centimeter. So 462 will weigh 3.696 kilogram. So I hope you are clear with the solutions. You can leave your queries in the comment section if you have any doubt in any question. Plus, if you want any specific topic to be covered first, then that also you can inform us in the comment section. Moving on to another question. A boat having a length 3 meter and breadth 2 meter is floating on a lake. The boat sinks by 1 centimeter when a man gets on it. So what is the mass of a man? Okay, so volume of water displaced would be 3 into 2 into 0.1. Where did the 0.1 came from? Here it is given 1 centimeter. You will convert it into meter. It will be 0.01. So the volume of water displaced you have calculated as 0.06 meter cube. For calculating the mass of the man, you will have to multiply the volume of water displaced by density of water. You know the volume of water displaced. We have already calculated that by just multiplying all the three values. So you will multiply 0.06 into 1000 kilogram, and that will be 60 kilogram, which is your answer. That is option B. 50 men took a dip in a water tank 40-meter long and 20-meter broad on a religious day. If the average displacement of water by a man is 4 meter cube, then the rise in the water level in the tank will be. Okay, so you'll similarly, like last question, you will first calculate the volume of water displaced. That is 4 into 50 meter. You will multiply, because there were total 50 men and it was 40-meter long. But here not this is used, this is used like if the average displacement of water by a man is 4 meter cube, so you will simply multiply 4 by 50. In total you have it like 200 meter cube. So rise in water level would be 200 divided by 40 into 20. So you will get it as 0.25 meter, that is 25 centimeter, and that is option B. The slant height of a right circular cone is 10 meter and its height is 8 meter. Find the area of its covered surface. Okay, so you have to calculate the area. Length is given in the question, height is also given in the question, so you will just simply you will calculate the radius, which is length square minus height square, so you will get it as 6 meter. For calculating curved surface area, we have already discussed all the formulas for volume and surface area in part first. I hope you all have watched part first. So the formula is pi RL. You'll simply multiply all the values and your answer is 65 meter square. So once again I'm reminding you, here we have just take out answer. We have not put the value of pi here, but in solving the questions you will need to put the value of pi as well, and only then you will get the answer. And by this the topic of volume and surface area comes to an end. So these are the all type of questions that you can face in any aptitude exam, and the formulas are already discussed in part first. This is the homework problem provided on screen. I request you to leave the answer in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.